In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF portfolio using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're looking to present multiple files like PDFs, Word documents, images, or even entire folders in one easy to navigate format, a PDF portfolio could be just what you need. It's a container that provides organization and accessibility in one single document. So let's dive in and learn how to transform your scattered files into a cohesive compilation. First, you'll want to start from a blank or existing PDF. Open up Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your device. Once it's up and running, head over to the File menu. Here you'll see an option for Create. Hover over it and you'll find PDF Portfolio. Go ahead and click on that. A dialog box will now open, presenting you with a selection of layouts. Choose the one that fits your needs and start crafting your portfolio from there. Next comes the fun part, adding content to your portfolio. You'll see an option to add files, which allows you to include various items like PDFs, Word documents, or even images, meaning all your relevant information can sit in one place. If you need to add a large group of files housed in one place, use Add Folder, which imports its entire content swiftly. Feel free to include web content previews for additional context if you wish. Now, let's talk organization. You're going to want your portfolio to be as clean and accessible as possible. Create folders within the portfolio to group related items. This keeps everything orderly and helps your recipients find what they need quickly. Make sure to rename your items and folders with clear descriptive titles so there's no confusion about what each contains. Adding descriptions to the individual items can also be incredibly beneficial to provide context or any necessary explanations. Once you've got everything in place, it's time to save and share your creation. Save the portfolio as a single PDF file, which will contain all your embedded items and their associated metadata. When you share this file, the recipient can effortlessly open and browse through the portfolio, view any embedded previews, and access the individual files. A few tips and best practices to consider. Portfolios are perfect for collating multiple related documents, like bids or project artifacts, into a single, easy to navigate file. You can always update your portfolio by adding or removing items and resaving it to keep it current. Just remember, if you're sharing it publicly, consider the file size and compatibility. Large portfolios can become quite hefty. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and design tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy portfolio creation.